Hello dear viewers, in this video we will look into different types of hydrocarbons, homologous series and their general formula, characteristics of homologous series, electron dot structure of hydrocarbon, functional group and their physical property of ethanol and ethanoic acid. So dear viewers, here you can see I have brought this table, root word using for name of any compound. Okay, so if carbon is 1, here from here you can see if carbon is 1, the root word is meth. If 2, then eth, 3, then prop, and so on. 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12. Up to 12 you can learn. This you have to learn because it is a root word, and without that you cannot name any compound, right? Now let's talk about hydrocarbon. What are hydrocarbon? The compound which have hydrogen and carbon, which made by the hydrogen and carbon, is called hydrocarbon. Say for example methane, ethane, propane, ethane, butane, they are the hydrocarbon. Here you can see the hierarchy. This is very important one. In hierarchy you will see there are mainly three types of hydrocarbon. One is saturated hydrocarbon, unsaturated hydrocarbon and aromatic hydrocarbon. Example is given: alkanes in saturated hydrocarbon, alkanes in unsaturated hydrocarbon. There are two. You please remember, keep in mind, there are two unsaturated hydrocarbon and one is aromatic. Example, if you look into the alkene, here alkene is there, whereas in the first alkane is there, and in the second alkyne only the word ene is difference over here. Okay, so let's talk about one by one. If we look about saturated hydrocarbon, where we have given the example of alkane. In saturated hydrocarbon alkane, it have this common or general formula. What is the formula that you have to learn? That is CnH2n plus 2. इफ़ n इक्वल टू 1 अगर हम कहेंगे, इसको और सिंप्लीफाई अगर आप करना चाहें तो व्हेन नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इज डबल प्लस 2 फ्रॉम नंबर ऑफ कार्बन, अगर हाइड्रोजन की जो नंबर हैं वो डबल प्लस 2 हैं कार्बन के नंबर से, तो उस केस में वो किस हाइड्रोकार्बन को बिलोंग करेगा? एल्केन को. कैसे पता करेंगे? सपोज देयर इज 1 कार्बन, राइट, तो हाइड्रोजन कितना हो जाएगा? तो 1 का आप डबल करो, कितना हो गया? 2, और उसमें ऐड करो 2, तो कितना हो गया? 4. दिस इज 4, CH4. ओके, देन यू नीड टू राइट रूट वर्ड. अभी हमने देखा था रूट वर्ड कितना कार्बन है यहाँ पे? 1. देन द रूट वर्ड इज मैथ, राइट, और हाइड्रोजन कितने यहाँ पे? 4, यानी डबल प्लस 2 हैं, तो इसको किस फार्मूला को ये बिलोंग कर रहा है? एल्केन के फार्मूला को बिलोंग कर रहा है, इसलिए इसमें क्या लगा देंगे? ANE. तो क्या हो गया ये? दिस कम्स मीथेन, राइट. अगेन another example we can have. Suppose there are 2 number of carbon. अब हाइड्रोजन कितना होगा इसमें? इसमें हाइड्रोजन होगा 2 का डबल करेंगे तो कितना हो गया? 4, और उसमें 2 ऐड कर देंगे तो कितना हो गया? 6, C2H6. अब 2 कार्बन को क्या कहते हैं? आपको पता होना चाहिए. एथ. क्या बोलते हैं? एथ. अब चूंकि हाइड्रोजन का नंबर डबल प्लस 2 है, इसलिए इसमें ANE क्या करेंगे? प्रीफिक्स लगा देंगे, सफिक्स लगा देंगे, तो क्या होगा? इथेन बन जाएगा. अनदर एग्जाम्पल वी कैन हैव. इफ सपोज कार्बन इज 3, तो बताइए कि हाइड्रोजन कितना होगा? डबल करिए, कितना हो गया? उसमें प्लस 2 कर दीजिए, कितना आया? 8. 3 2 ज़ा 6 प्लस 2 इट्स 8. अब इसके नेम की बात करेंगे तो नंबर ऑफ कार्बन पकड़ के रखेंगे. नंबर ऑफ कार्बन कितना है? 3 है, तो इसको क्या लिखेंगे? प्रोप. प्रोप इज़ फॉर 3 कार्बन। सिंस हाइड्रोजन कितने हैं, डबल प्लस 2 हैं, तो इसमें लिखेंगे ANE, देन इट्स नेम कम्स प्रोपेन। ओके, अब इसके स्ट्रक्चर की बात करेंगे, स्ट्रक्चरल फार्मूला कैसे लिखेंगे। तो स्ट्रक्चरल फार्मूला लिखने के लिए आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, जैसे जितने नंबर में कार्बन है उनको आप लिख लीजिए। जैसे अगर मान लीजिए 2 कार्बन है तो कार्बन कार्बन सिंगल बॉन्ड से अटैच कर दीजिए और इनकी 4 काउंटिंग में बॉन्ड लगा दीजिए। इस कार्बन के लिए 1 ऑलरेडी देयर, 2 3 4 और सब में हाइड्रोजन को ऐड कर दीजिए। देयर इज़ नो डबल बॉन्ड प्रेजेंट इन एल्केन, एल्केन में डबल बॉन्ड नहीं होगा। अब आप देखोगे हर एक कार्बन पे 4 बॉन्ड है कि नहीं, राइट। Here you can see in each carbon 4 bond is there or not. For this carbon you can see 1 bond, 2 bond, 3 bond and 4 bond. Here also 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, so in this way you can go ahead. Now let's talk about the next member, that is called unsaturated. Here one more thing is required to understand, that is what is saturated. Here in the alkene में जब भी आप देखोगे, so you will not find any double or triple bond. All the carbon is attached with the single bond, so that is why it is a saturated carbon, and all the valency of carbon is also satisfied with single bond of all hydrogen, you can see. Okay, so this is why there is no double bond present in alkene, and that is why it is called saturated hydrocarbon. In the next category, which is alkene, right? Alkene, whenever alkene is there, that shows that there must be a double bond at least in the carbon in between the carbon and carbon. So please make sure the common formula, the general formula for alkene is CnH2n. That means the number of hydrogen is just double of the number of carbon. If suppose there is 2 carbon, right, कार्बन अगर 2 हैं तो हाइड्रोजन कितना होगा, जस्ट डबल ऑफ कार्बन, दैट मीन्स 4. ओके, हेयर एग्जाम्पल इज देयर C2H4. और नाम कैसे लिखेंगे, हाउ यू विल राइट द नेम ऑफ दिस कंपाउंड, यू कैन राइट रूट वर्ड for 2 carbon is eth, right, and since hydrogen is just double of the carbon, so you will write ENE, right, the suffix you will use ENE, so its name become ethene. Okay, and here is the structural formula of ethene. And ethylene is common name, right, don't get confused. Ethylene is common name, whereas ethene is universally accepted name. Similarly, if suppose there are 3 carbon, right, and how many number of hydrogen will be there, there will be 6 hydrogen, and what will be the name for 3 carbon, the root word is prop, and the suffix you will use is ENE, that name comes propene, and here is its structural formula. Okay, similarly, if suppose C4 is there, then how many hydrogen is there, 8, and it will called for root C4 means carbon 4 is but, and suffix is ene, and it is its structure. So I think alkene is clear now. In the next category that we will study about the alkyne, right. Alkyne, here you can see the suffix we will use YNE. Okay, YNE, alkyne, and the common formula is CnH2n minus 2. That means if the number of hydrogen is double minus 2 from the number of carbon, यानी डबल से 2 कम है हाइड्रोजन का नंबर कार्बन से, तो हम उसको किस कैटेगरी में रखेंगे, एल्काइन की कैटेगरी में रखेंगे. से फॉर एग्जांपल इफ सपोज कार्बन इज 2, ओके, तो कार्बन को आप डबल कीजिए, कितना हो गया 4, ओके, और उसमें से -2 कर दीजिए, तो 4 minus 2 is 2, that means C2H2. And in alkyne, one triple bond must be there between carbon and carbon. कार्बन कार्बन के बीच में कम से कम एक ट्रिपल बॉन्ड ज़रूर होगा. Okay, so here C2H2, the name of this compound will be carbon is 2, so we can use the root word eth, and YNE we will use the word as suffix, so the name becomes ethine. The acetylene is the common name, okay, but IUPAC name is ethine only. So C2H2, the structure of C2H2 is this. You can see the carbon carbon triple bond. If suppose there are 3 carbon, then the hydrogen will be double minus 2, that means 3 2s are 6 minus 2, that is 4, right? The name of the compound, since 3 carbon is there, so prop, and YNE we will use as a suffix, so propyne. And here it is structural formula. Similarly for butane, what will be the molecular formula for butane? C4 H कितने हो जाएंगे इसमें, डबल माइनस 2, that means 6, and the name will be butane, and its structural formula is this only. Okay, let's come to the next category, that is called homologous series. What we have studied, students, till now, alkene, alkene, alkyne, right? They comes in the homologous series. What is homologous series? A series of organic compound having the same functional group and chemical properties, and successive member differ by CH2, यानी कि CH2 यूनिट से डिफ़र करेगा नेक्स्ट मेंबर, और उस या फिर 14 मास से डिफ़र करेगा, राइट, नोन एज होमोलॉगस सीरीज. फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे अगर हम कंसीडर करें CH4, C2H6 और C3H8, यानी मीथेन, इथेन और प्रोपेन, दे आर द homologous series. Alkane, alkene and alkyne, they are 3 homologous series, right? अब अगर हम फर्स्ट वाले की बात करें, मीथेन, इथेन और प्रोपेन, सी इफ CH4 इज रिटन, CH4 मतलब क्या हो गया, मीथेन, इसमें आप CH2 ऐड कर दीजिए, राइट, व्हाट यू विल गेट, C2, एक कार्बन ऐड करना है तो C2 हो गया, और 2 हाइड्रोजन ऐड करना है यानी C2H6 हो गया. C2H6 मतलब क्या हो गया, इथेन. इसमें फिर अगर आप CH2 ऐड करेंगे तो कितना हो जाएगा, C3H8. C3H8 क्या हो गया, प्रोपेन. तो जो सक्सेसिव मेंबर है वो या तो CH2 यूनिट से डिफ़र करेगा, एक दूसरे इनके बीच में जो डिफरेंस है वो कितने का होगा, CH2 का डिफरेंस होगा. और CH2 की जब हम बात करेंगे तो इसका अगर हम देखें तो मास कितना होगा, कार्बन का होता है 12 और 2 हाइड्रोजन का होता है 2, तो टोटल करेंगे तो कितना हो जाएगा 14. तो या तो 14 मास यूनिट डिफ़र करेगा या इतना डिफ़र करेगा. नाउ लेट्स सी, दिस वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस अबाउट द रूट वर्ड. अगर एक कार्बन है तो मैथ, दूसरा है तो एथ, तीसरा है तो ब्रूप, 4 कार्बन है तो ब्यूट, पेंट, हेक्स, हेप्ट, हेक्ट, up to 12 you can see, right? Here this is very important type of table. Here you can see alkane, alkene and alkyne. Their common formula is CnH2n plus 2, CnH2n and CnH2n minus 2. Or in simple word you can learn, if number of hydrogen is double plus 2, then it becomes alkane. If it is double, then alkene. If it is double minus 2, then it becomes like alkyne. And the suffix what we use with the root word, in case of alkane we will use the ane, in case of alkene we will use the word ene, and in case of alkyne we will use yne. And these are the very important 2 table, and I will suggest you have to mug up these 2 table to understand in a better way. Now, what are the characteristics of homologous series? So, what are the characteristics of homologous series? See, as we have discussed about the successive member in homologous series differ by CH2 unit or 14 mass unit. In the next, you can say the second main property of homologous series is member of given homologous series have the same functional group. Functional group एक ही होगा, functional group is not going to be changed. And the third most important characteristic is all the member of homologous series shows similar chemical property. The chemical property will not be changed, right? So these are the characteristic of homologous series, right? What are the characteristic? They have difference between CS2 or 14 mass unit. Okay, they are having the same functional group and they are having the same or similar chemical property. Let's talk about the electron dot structure of hydrocarbon. Here, if suppose question comes about the electron dot structure of methane or ethane or other any homologous series compound, then in that way you have to draw. First you need to draw the carbon at the center, you can see, and it's 4 electrons like 1, 2, 3 and 4. And similarly with all 4 electrons you can just write hydrogen and share those electrons. If we are talking this hydrogen, this shared the one electron from the carbon and one electron of the hydrogen, both are shared and bond is formed. So in all the 4 hydrogen share 4 electrons with the carbon and forming 4 bond within the molecule of methane. अगर इसका हम और स्ट्रक्चर देखेंगे तो ये इस टाइप का स्ट्रक्चर बनेगा इसमें CH. Okay, so there are 4 hydrogen each bonded with the single bond. Similarly, if we talk about the ethene molecule, the electron dot structure of ethene molecule, here you can see and you can understand in a better way in this way, right? In each the bond you can just write hydrogen in each single bond, and each single bond is formed by 2 electrons which have been, each electron is shared by atoms of different element. ओके, सो एक बॉन्ड कब बनेगा? जब 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन शेयर होंगे, यानी 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर मस्ट बी देयर between 2 different atoms.